Look, there's an abandoned Porsche deep in the forest.
It's been forgotten for years, but it still deserves a second chance.
Keep every bolt organized.
Got it. Nothing gets misplaced.
Now we can finally see the frame. Tomorrow, we remove the rust and rebuild the body. Let's remove every trace of rust. We're giving this chassis a fresh start. These corners are the hardest. That's where patience makes the difference.
The body lines are coming back.
Slow and steady. Precision matters. Only a thin layer.
The surface already looks much smoother.
It's becoming perfectly smooth. A flawless finish starts right here. The surface feels like glass. That's exactly what we need. Everything has to be spotless.
We're ready for the red finish.
The original color is finally back. One careful coat at a time. Perfection can't be rushed. Keep the spray distance consistent. The finish is becoming perfectly even. The reflections are incredible. The clear coat protects the paint for years. Now we wait.
Good paint always rewards patience.
I can't find any imperfections. Let's keep it that way. Every tiny ripple has to disappear.
The surface already feels like glass.
The interior smells new again. A restoration isn't complete without the cabin. Years of dirt are finally gone.
The engine bay looks incredible.
Every restoration tells a story.
And every journey deserves a new beginning.